This video will detail for common and effective methods for deleting duplicate songs on your iPhone. Part 1. How to remove duplicate songs on iPhone in the Apple Music app. To remove a few duplicate songs on iPhone, you can use the Apple Music app. This method is simple, but less efficient for larger numbers of duplicates. Step 1. Open the Music app and tap Library at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Locate the album or playlist that contains the duplicate songs. Step 3. Press and hold the duplicate track you want to remove. Step 4. Tap Delete from Library from the menu that appears. Step 5. When prompted, confirm by tapping Delete Song. Part 2. How to delete duplicate songs on iPhone using the Settings app. If you need to delete multiple duplicate songs from the same artist on your iPhone, using the Settings app is a much easier option. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap General. Step 2. Select iPhone Storage. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Music from the list of apps. Step 4. To remove all songs and start fresh, tap the Remove option next to all songs. To delete duplicate songs by artist, tap the Remove option next to the artist containing the duplicate tracks. Part 3. How to delete duplicate songs on iPhone with iTunes. iTunes includes a built-in feature that lets you view and remove duplicate songs from your iPhone. Step 1. Open iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Step 2. Under the On My Device section, click Music. Step 3. From the top menu bar, click File. Step 4. Select Library, then choose Show Duplicate Items. Step 5. A list of duplicate songs on your iPhone will appear. Hold down the Control key and click the tracks you want to remove. Step 6. Click Delete from Library to delete the selected duplicate songs. Part 4. How to remove duplicate songs from iPhone using iPhone Music Manager. iPhone Music Manager is a tool for managing iPhone data, including photos, videos, and music. It offers an easy interface for deleting duplicate songs and transferring music between your computer and iPhone. It can also delete all music at once. Step 1. Download and install iPhone Music Manager on your computer. Then connect your iPhone and launch the program. Wait for it to recognize your device. Step 2. Go to Music to see all the songs on your iPhone. Preview and select the duplicate songs you want to remove. Then click Delete and confirm.